पाकिस्तान ने डिजिटल दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ सोशल मीडिया कंपनियों से ताउन की अपील कर दी। सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स को पाकिस्तान में दफातर खोलने की दावत भी दे डाली। वज़ीर मुमलिकत दाखिला तलाल चौधरी ने कहा कि सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स दहशतगर्दों के अकाउंट ब्लॉक करने और नकूल को रोकने के लिए मसनूई जहानत का इस्तेमाल करते हुए ताउन करें और मालूमात शेयर करें। वज़ीर मुमलिकत कानून व इंसाफ अपील मलिक का कहना था कि सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स के पाकिस्तान में दफातर खोलने का खैर मकदम करेंगे।
The terrorists used to kill people with guns, but now they also using digital social media platforms.
Pakistani authorities track them, trace them, but they can't take action because they don't have details of the account holders.
So I once again want to request for social media operators, social media platforms to cooperate with us on the blockage, removal of accounts, taking AI measures to stop mirror accounts and to share information of account holders who are operating these accounts.
We would definitely welcome these social media platforms to open up their offices for better coordination. Not just better coordination, but I think this will not just help us in having that coordination between these social media platforms and their offices and our law enforcement agencies so as to not just address issues that are social issues, but also issues that are a lot more serious. And a serious issue is the presence of these terrorist organizations or proscribed organizations or sanctioned organizations on social media platforms.